What is up guys, my name is Talha, you watching Gadget Sphere. So finally I got time and I'm making a video about the Moto 1 Action charging test. So watch this video till the end to get to know at what time this phone charges how much, and don't forget to subscribe. This is probably my most requested video ever. So I decided to do this test and do it as fast as possible. So there are mainly two things that matter in charging a smartphone. First of all, the smartphone should be at 0%, and second, the charger you are using matters a lot. So I'm using the Motorola box charger that came in the box because most of the people that straight away use the normal charger. They don't buy a separate charger for faster charging. Now let's just plug in and start the stopwatch. So I'm gonna skip ahead to the 15-minute mark and then I'm gonna show you how much the battery has charged. So according to what I have observed, the phone is charging very fast. So this phone has a 3500 mAh battery, and considering that big battery, it is charging at a very fast rate. Normally smartphones have a 4000 mAh battery, but this is a little smaller. So because of that small size, the phone is also very slim and compact, and I don't face any issues. It can give a very good battery backup. Now at around 30 minutes, it is 28%. That's still going on very fast. Most people might think that it is having a 3500 mAh battery, so this might not give you a very good battery backup. But that's not the case. It gives a very good battery backup, and in around 1 hour, you can get up to 60% of charge. So that's 58 according to the precise numbers, but that's very fast. And yeah, this phone charges very fast, but there is one thing that manufacturers don't tell the users. That is, after 80%, they don't use the full power of the charger. They take some time to charge because to save the phone from overheating, that's why they do so. So yeah, this is the thing that you should notice before complaining that yeah, this phone took expected for a 3500 mAh battery to charge. So yeah, you can see after 80%, at around 1 hour 30 minutes, I got 85%. And now you can see the charging has slowed down to save the phone from overheating, because most people usually charge their phone at night. So thus it slowed down, but not that much slow even. So it got around 100% in 2 hours and 18 minutes. That's a very good fast charging. Guys, thanks for watching. This video took a really long time in making, so if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel. It would be massively appreciated. Thanks for watching. Peace out.